Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I'm going to make a strawberry cheese dessert. You have fresh strawberries, cottage cheese, Cool Whip, a box of Jello, strawberry Jello, and we're going to sprinkle some pecans on top of it. So what we need to do to get started is we need to wash our strawberries and cut them up. And we'll get this going. I have washed the strawberries. Now I'm just cutting them up. You need 2 cups of strawberries, which is supposed to equal 16 ounces if you need ounces instead of just saying 2 cups. So we'll get these cut up. That should be pretty close to 2 cups. Yes. Whoops. Now I have 2 cups of strawberries. Okay, I have 2 cups of strawberries. I have got low-fat cottage cheese. And I like the small curds instead of the large. But if you rather have the large, I'm sure it's okay, but that's just what I'm using. And we're just going to stir this up right quick. A little bit. Blend it in a little bit. We're going to use 8 ounces of Cool Whip. This is really a quick, simple recipe. And with all the holidays and all, it's really good for the summertime too. Blend in everything a little bit. A package of Jello strawberry. Gives it a real pretty color and flavors it too. And mix it real good. If you don't have a lot of time, this is a very quick dessert. Very easy. And you know, I really think mine could stand a few more strawberries in it. So I'm going to cut up just a few more strawberries. Seems like I've got a lot of them. Let's get a few more strawberries in it. I'll measure these out so I can tell you what I've put in it. Now I have another cup of strawberries. I started out with 2 cups, but it just didn't look like it was enough. So I've added just a little bit more strawberries in it. Yeah, that makes it better. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take pecans, ever how you want to say it. And it's probably going to be 1/4 of a cup pecans. Put them in a Ziploc bag and crush them up just a little bit. This is so easy to crush them up. Just put them in a Ziploc bag. Take an old-fashioned rolling pin and roll over them, and it crushes them up, and it doesn't make a mess. Okay, I'm just going to take my pecans and just sprinkle them on top. You can put as many as you like, but a lot of people do not like nuts, so I'm just trying to make everybody happy around here. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This is just a simple dessert. Strawberry cheese dessert. And all you do is, as I said, you use your strawberries. I use 3 cups of strawberries. I use a cup of Cool Whip, but I also used a cup of cottage cheese first. I put that in there, mixed it up. Then I used the Cool Whip and a package of Jello, just regular strawberry Jello. Mix it all up and put your nuts on top. And we now have strawberry cheese dessert. Pretty dish. Put it in the refrigerator and let it chill because it needs to get firm, and it will. And you'll be ready to eat. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom, please subscribe and come back to see me. Thank you for watching. Offer me your comments. I had a few strawberries left, so I just washed them and cut them in half and put them on the top for just a little bit more decoration. There again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Come back to see me. Subscribe, give me your comments, and have a fantastic day.